Your T-Mobile home internet has two passwords you need to manage: the Wi-Fi password for your devices and the admin password for the gateway settings. Changing these regularly, every 3 to 6 months or after any suspected security breach, is crucial for protecting your network from unauthorized access, data breaches, and cyber attacks. A strong Wi-Fi password prevents strangers from using your internet, while a secure admin password stops hackers from changing your gateway settings. You can change your T-Mobile home internet passwords through the gateway's web interface or the T-Mobile app. For the web interface, first connect your device to the gateway using an Ethernet cable for a stable connection. Then open a web browser and navigate to http://2.168.12.11.1. Log in using the default credentials, which are usually printed on a sticker on your gateway device. To change the Wi-Fi password, navigate to Wi-Fi settings, enter your new password, and save the changes. To change the admin password, go to the Administration tab and create a new complex password. Alternatively, use the T-Mobile app for easier management. Open the app and navigate to Internet, then Gateway, then Wi-Fi settings. From there, you can manage your Wi-Fi password directly.